Tired of boring old Gantt charts? Let's jazz things up with a visually stunning radial Gantt chart in Tableau. First, let's connect to our data. For this we will need the start date, end date, and the project or task name. Now, drag and drop a new worksheet and start preparing our view. Let's start by calculating the duration of each task from the measure section. Let's create a calculated field, name it as duration, input a field for the date difference between the end date and the start date. Now, we need another calculated field. This calculated field will determine the start of our tasks, which we'll call start angle. We'll define this based on your project's order of work defined using the index function. Time to bring our Gantt chart to life with the dimensions and measures. Let's drag start angle to columns and change the aggregation to average. Then, drag project name or task name to rows. Drag the duration field to the columns. This will serve as the size of our bars from the marks card. Change the mark type to Gantt. Now, drag start angle to detail and right-click on it to change the compute using to task name. Next, let's switch our chart to a circular view. Click on the angle in the column shelf and change your view from automatic to angle. Right-click on the axis and select Edit Axis. Within the Edit Axis window, under the scale, change the range of the axis from automatic to fixed. Set the start to 0 and the end to 360. Let's clean up the look. Hide the axis labels, grid lines, and any unnecessary marks. Add colors, and customize the chart. And the final product should be an enticing radial Gantt chart. You have visually transformed your project schedule. Excellent work.